Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to discuss another variation of star triangle pattern printing, which will right shifted and inverted also. Okay, so I'm going to uh, write here file name, and then I will write problem. Then I will uh, tell you the logics, and then I will write code, and then I will execute the things, and after that I will write comment for everything, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. So without wasting time, you just go into you open this Visual Studio Code and do practice there. And if you don't have this application in your system, then you open only Java compiler and write your code there only. And but you have to write parallelly with me. Okay, so I need to write here what I need to write. Right shifted, right shifted, right shifted, right shifted, inverted, right shifted, inverted, star triangle dot Java. Okay, so this is the file name. It should be, whenever you write file, it should be related to the problem which you are going to solve. Okay, now I'm going to write here first problem statement. So if user will input number of rows, input row will, if you have 5, then output should be, okay, it should be like star 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 star, 5 star in first row. In second row, it starts star, going to print from second column. Okay, and in third row, it will start from third column. Okay, and in fourth row it will start printing from fourth column, and in fifth row it will start printing from in, it will only print in the last column only. Okay, so this pattern we are going to solve in this tutorial. Okay, now I'm going to import a scanner class to take user input. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Now I need to write here psvm. This is the keyword which will use to write public static void main. It will work in Visual Studio Code only. Okay, if you are using this application, then you can also write psvm. If you are using another application, then you write this complete syntax. Okay, and now I'm going to write, I'm going to create the object for this scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in, system.in, and then I need to write here shout means I need to write a message to ask user. It is not working. Now I'm going to write complete things, system dot out dot println. Okay, here I need to write enter number of rows. Okay, number of rows for triangle. Okay, now I'm going to write here int and c dot next int. I have initialized a very, I am I am storing the number of rows in the variable n. Okay, so and then I need to write here a message again to show our result text. So I need to write here below is the below is the right shifted right shifted right shifted inverted inverted star triangle. Okay, now I need to write here a for loop which will take care of number of rows. It is going to be outer loop. Okay, for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. And for I'm going to use here two inner loop. First inner loop to print space in each row, and second inner loop to print. This first inner loop is going to shift the element in the right side and printing space in the left of starting starting uh, element. Okay, it is going to create a space in the start of the first element. Okay, so means we are going to print this space, so it is the left side of the space, left of the space which is left side. Okay, we are going to print by using this loop, first inner loop. So I need to write here for int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to less than 1, not less than, j should be 1, j less than equal to I. If j is 1, then j in first row, I'm talking about first row. In first row there is no space left in the starting of the element. Okay, so if it is starting from 1, then it should not be equal to be 1. Okay, okay, and then j plus plus. Okay, and in second row it will work for how many times? It will work for 1, and yeah, in second row it will work for one time only, and in third row, because I have not given here equal to. Okay, and here I need to write here, I need to print 2s 2 space. First space will shift the element in the right, and one space which is between, which is uh, between the two star. Okay, and this second inner loop will print what element in the each row. So I need to write here for int for k is equals to n, k less than, k will greater than equal to I, and it should be greater than and equal to, even it will start from n, and it should be greater than equal to I. Means if I have enter number of rows 5, then it will start from 5, it will go till 1. So it should be greater than, not equals to. If it is equal, less than, or okay, then it will be in minus, and be in be loop will be infinite. Okay, loop will become infinite. So we need to write here greater than. Okay, and then here I need to write k minus minus. Okay, and now I need to print star with one space. Here star with one space. And after printing a star, I need to write here what? A line so that cursor can move after printing element in a row. Okay, and a seed dot close. Okay, now guys, I'm going to run it. I think our code is working perfectly. Okay, here I to write number of rows. I'm entering 5. Okay, now our code is working perfectly. You can see. Now I need to write here another number of rows. Okay, I'm entering. I'm entering number of rows here 8. Okay, you can see our element is shifting towards right side and a space we have in left side of the element. Okay, and when we are moving from top to bottom, our space is increasing and number of element or number of star is decreasing while moving from top to bottom. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, now I'm going to write here comment for all things. So here a scanner class I have used to take user input. So I need to write here scanner to take user input. Okay, this is the file name it should be meaningful. Okay, this is the main method in which our code is in which code is executing. Okay, and this is the object creation of the scanner class. Object creation scanner class. Okay, this is the message to print. This is the message to ask user to enter number of rows. Okay, and we are storing number of rows in a row. Okay, and this is what? This is the result text. Okay, okay, and this for loop, it is the outer loop which will which is controlling number of rows while printing. Okay, this is the first inner loop which is printing space printing space in each row each row each row in the left of the element. Okay, and here we are printing only printing to space 1 for shift the element in the right, and second for creating space, recreating space in two is between two star. Okay, and this loop is printing what? It is the second inner loop. Second inner loop. This is second inner loop used to print element in each row. Okay, and here we are printing one star with one space. Okay, and this is a line to use to move cursor in next row. Okay, after printing the element in current row. Okay, this is the closing of a scanner class void resource leak graduate. Our system is slow. Okay, avoid resource leak and free the memory. Okay, guys, I have already explained it. The problem statement, I have already written the code. I have already executing it also, and I have completed with writing comments for each lines. Now you have to do dry run with your own self, so that your logic will build, and you will get the idea to solve problem related to these things. Okay, now I am going to execute it once, and then I will close these things. Okay, system is going to slow right now. Okay, so wait for 1 minute only. What happened, bro? Guys, I have already executed. It will take time to, so I'm going to close it. Okay, thank you. Guys, you just be with here only. I'm going to provide here everything about DSA in Java. So thank you. Have a nice day. It is not working. Yeah, our cursor is not responding. Okay, what should I do, bro? Do these things. Yes, bro. हाँ बोलो. कौन आया था? हाँ, मालूम नहीं है। अच्छा, चला गया होगा।